Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's V8. I'm tapping back into the network. I've had a lot of people begging for an update on the Jeeps, so here's the first one. It's been over a year since the 5.2 has been in a video, but nothing has changed. I'm getting it running good again, even though it's the end of the summer. I managed to keep the check engine light off. I don't know how. Usually it comes back every couple of months. Right now it's off, so that's a good thing. I'm also trying to figure out why I'm having a high idle issue. Now I'll show you the Holley throttle body I have right now. I've been trying to dial in the idle, making it lower and lower, and it helped when I'm in drive, but when I put it in park, the idle just wants to shoot up to anywhere from 1100 RPMs to 1500 RPM. So I've been playing with that idle screw right there, and I think it's time we just throw a new throttle body on there, which I already have it. Probably gonna put it in this week. Should fix it. If it's not that, then it's probably a vacuum leak somewhere that I've been trying to hunt down for years now. Other than that, it drives great. Still has a little bit of a transmission slip going from first to second, but only when you floor it, which is only 1% of the time you're driving. So eventually I will probably won't rebuild the 4.4 RE. I'll probably replace it with the 4.6 RE. Same transmission that is behind the 5.9. Currently running a AC bypass belt. Makes it spin a little more freely. I notice it revs a little bit quicker than when you have the AC hooked up. Still gutted in here. No subs, no back seats, no passenger seat. And have the street tire set up right now, but I'll probably put on the Mickey Thompson drag radials after I figure out this idle issue and swap the throttle body. So yeah, nothing has changed, just trying to get it dialed in again since I didn't drive it for about 4 months. Just gave it a rest. This engine still only has about 8,000 miles on it, and the heads and cam probably only has about 5,000 or 6,000 miles on it. So it's been built for over 10 years, but it's still kind of a fresh setup. Still somewhat low miles on it. And yeah, there's really nothing else to do to it, so I'm happy with it. If I were to get rid of one of the Jeeps, it would not be this. It's in too good condition. It's got low miles for the year. Just excellent condition inside and out. My biggest issue with this Jeep is the idle issue and the transmission slipping. Other than that, it's mint. So there's an update for you. It's gonna be a warm start with the cutout closed, and then I'll open it, and then I'll end the video.